What I needed though was hard crack. What do I do with the rest of this? Okay, so these last few months have been hard.
You will feel it start to get harder on your teeth.
Oh no! I would not hold this for days on end. You'll probably just get cancer.
Dude!
It's still growing! It's like the more fire we shoot at it, the bigger it gets. I wasn't born ready, but through years of experience, I gained the confidence to feel ready. Your idea of using a little bit less water might make it, oh God, might do that. Okay, we can get rid of this little sign. How's it look?
It's definitely frightening.
A preview of the cookie to come. Or if I, bust. The only part that I hate about this is almost everything. Oh, is that from the spice? Oh God.
Why do you have so much ramen?
I don't know. Just in case, man. No, I gotta put it back. Oh God. All of my work to get this. I don't think we ever had a real goal, so you can't really fail when you never had any objective.
I like it.
It doesn't want to go. You want to sit down?
Okay, I'll sit down on it.
It's gonna... oh, it was gonna go! I guess it detects butts. The simple step is don't break glass for no reason. And then you don't...
Yeah, but that glass had it coming.
Then you don't have to clean it all up.
The chicken tastes like metal. Like it's hard and rocky and...
It's a goo! I don't know, I thought it was gonna be a clear solution, but it's like this white, gooey liquid.
And that will be locked away for another 1,000 years.
Bye. That's it.